Perfect for travel, daycare, sleepovers, cruises, hotels, camping and playing. 2 storage pockets. Travel bag with shoulder strap included. Supports a child up to 48 tall or 75 pounds. Assembled dimensions, 48 by 25 by 9.5, folded dimensions, 24.5 by 8 by 6. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for my 2.5-year-old. We ordered this cot as an extra bed for my 2.5-year-old at our vacation house in Florida. It worked perfectly. She never complained about it being uncomfortable and she loved her cot. She slept in it for 7 nights with 0 complaints. It is so compact when folded as well, which we love.